Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've missed you guys so much. I know it's been a long time since I have posted a video for my channel and I apologize. Life happens and sometimes YouTube just falls on the back burner. As you guys may know, I do YouTube just for fun. It's just something I like to do on the side. I'm a military wife. I have a toddler and this is just something I like to do in my free time. But sometimes life gets so hectic that I just don't have time to do it. But I have missed you guys so much, so my son is napping right now and I thought this would be the perfect time to film a video for you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to show you all what I picked up at the Dollar Tree. They have a lot of their fall items slowly coming out, and there's a Dollar Tree north of where I live that has some of the cutest items that I have been stalking on Instagram, and they finally put them out. So anyways, without me keeping the blabbing going, I would love for you guys to see what I bought at Dollar Tree. So just keep watching if you want to know what I picked up. Okay, you know when you go in Dollar Tree and you think you're just going to pick up like a couple items, but then you end up walking out with multiple bags? That's me. I have like these and plus a few more bags on the floor because I can't resist the Dollar Tree, especially when they put out their fall stuff. I'm like so excited for it. So I have been watching a few videos, and on Instagram I've seen a few posts of people picking up some awesome fall items from Dollar Tree. Well, there's a Dollar Tree right up the street from me and they kind of slack on putting out a lot of cute stuff, but there's a Dollar Tree about 15 to 20 minutes away from me and they have a crafter square. So whenever I get a chance to go up there, I like to stock up. And they have the cutest stuff and they always put out their fall stuff pretty early. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys are these cute little, I don't know, they're like little signs. They're little plaques that you can display on your kitchen or like in your entryway. But this one has that pretty like minty like green color and it says welcome fall and it has gourds on it and the pumpkins and I just think it's so cute. And I picked up a few of them. I have another one right here that says be grateful. And it also has the pumpkins and the gourds on it. And I just thought it was so cute. And I'm really digging like this mint green color. I think that's going to be super popular for fall. And this one is like that classic farmhouse look. And it says hello autumn. And it has some more of the muted pumpkins on here. I love these colors of the pumpkins. And I think this is so cute. You could display these as is, or you could do like a cute little fall DIY with these and paint them or whatever you want to do. But I just thought these were so cute. So I picked up 3 of those. Actually 4. There's another one. This one kind of got a little scratched, but that's okay. And it says harvest blessing. And this would be perfect for Thanksgiving. So I actually picked up 4, not 3. Now this is from, I've seen this last year at Dollar Tree. I didn't pick it up, but they put it out again this year and I decided to pick up one of these. So cute. It's a little pumpkin that says hello fall. And I just think you could do so many things with this. You could totally take this off, put different paper on it, make it match your decor. You can turn it more into like buffalo plaid or buffalo check because I know that's very popular for the fall, or you can leave it as is. But I just thought this little guy was so cute and I picked up one of these. The next things I got from Dollar Tree are these adorable signs, and I'm going to try to display pictures after I talk about all these items just so you guys can get a closer look. But how cute is this? And this reminds me of something that you can pick up from Hobby Lobby. This says, let our hearts be full of thanks and giving. I think that is just so adorable and it's perfect for fall and Thanksgiving. And then here again is that beautiful mint green color that seems to be on trend for this fall. And this one says autumn blessings and it has a little raffia bow on there. I think that is adorable. And then this one just says be grateful and give thanks. And I feel like you could do so many things with these, especially if you're a DIYer. You could totally redo these, and or if you have one of those tier trays, which I need to make one. I don't have one, but I see them all over YouTube and a lot of my friends on YouTube have them. These would be super cute sitting on a tier tray. So I picked up 3 of those little signs and I can't wait to make something with that. I saw this and I thought this was the cutest little thing. It's a little house with a calendar in it and you could do so much with this. And I'm actually thinking I want to redo this one for Christmas, like change the color of this house and maybe add some Christmas detail to it. And I think this would make a perfect countdown for Christmas. And they had a lot of different calendars. They had this house, they had a red house, they had just a square, and they had quite a bit at the Dollar Tree I went to. So I thought that was super cute. This is the reason I went to the Dollar Tree. All the other stuff I showed you you know, kind of caught my eye and I had to buy it. But these are the reason I went to Dollar Tree. These cute little pumpkins. And I have some ideas that I have saved on Pinterest that I want to do with these. Let me show you the few that I picked up. They have quite a bit of colors on there and then different sayings on all those. So like if you just want to decorate with them as they are so cute. This one says thankful, grateful, and blessed, and it has little pumpkins on the bottom. And it's just the typical orange color with the raffia bow. Then this one is beautiful. It's black and it says gather with grateful hearts, and it has the gold glitter. Now I will warn you, these have a lot of glitter. So I just put them on this table that I have my phone sitting on, and it's a little bit everywhere, but that's totally okay. Because if you're gonna craft with this, you could just take some sandpaper, get the glitter off, and then paint them and do whatever you want with those. So I think that would be really awesome. Or you can display them as is, like I said. And then there's that mint green. Like I totally think this is on trend this year. Like this color is popping up everywhere. Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, different places online, Etsy. This just seems to be like the go-to fall color, especially if you're into farmhouse. And this one says eat, drink, and give thanks. So that is adorable. And this one's just like a beige color, and it says pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes. So I picked up a few of these and I plan to do something with those soon. But there you go, there's all the different colors. Another thing that I love to pick up from the Dollar Tree are towels. Like you cannot go wrong with kitchen towels. So whenever I'm in Dollar Tree, I just try to stock up on these because they're just good to have around the house and they're actually pretty cute. This one has the little red truck with the rooster on top, and I just thought that was so adorable with the apples. And then I got the matching oven mitten. And these little mittens too, or these little pot holders, I'm sorry. The pot holders, the oven mitten, and the towel. And I think these are gonna be a hot commodity for fall. Like they only had 2 sets of each of these and I only picked up one. And I feel like these are super popular. I've seen them on Instagram and a lot of people are like making pillows out of the towels. Actually, if you want a tutorial on pillow towels, my cousin, Melissa, has one, Fresh Picked Farmhouse. She did one a couple months ago with a towel, and I'll try to link that down below, but it's really cute, and she turns a towel into a pillow. So you guys go check her out if you want to see how to make that. Another item I picked up, it's not really fall related, but I plan to do fall crafts and Christmas crafts with this, are these tower game cubes, like the Dollar Tree Jenga cubes. These are so hard to find, and I got so lucky when I saw these at the store. I almost tried to order them off of Amazon, but they want $7 for them off of Amazon. I'm like, no way. But I got lucky when I went to the store and they had a couple packs, so I picked up a few of these. And you can do so many different crafts with these stacking cubes. They're just perfect. And these are smaller than the Jenga cubes, but they don't have anything written on them. So they're completely plain. So you can definitely turn this into anything you want because there's no writing on there. There's nothing engraved on there. So it's the perfect thing to craft with. My favorite thing to get at the Dollar Tree, regardless of the season, are the flowers. Especially if you're into wreath making like I am, or you just love to have like flower decor or stick fake flowers into your vases. The Dollar Tree is the place to go, y'all. Like, y'all are gonna laugh at how much flowers I bought. I have some more on the ground. Like I can't control myself when I go in the Dollar Tree and they have fall floral out. It's just all $1, of course, and it's like on trend with what's at Hobby Lobby. And I know Hobby Lobby will, I think they're actually starting to mark their fall stuff out for 40% off, which I know it's crazy. It's July and we're sitting here talking about fall stuff. But if you're a crafter or a DIYer, you know that you kind of have to buy all your stuff early to get it. But I love just going to the Dollar Tree because you can get some really good flowers that are beautiful, that look like you got them from Hobby Lobby or Michael's, and they're only $1. So they have these cotton stems out this year, and these are so cute. So I picked up a couple of those. I saw this, and I just love this. Of course, this is like the cute little pumpkin on the end with the little berries and the fall leaves. I think this would be gorgeous on a wreath. So I love that. And I picked up that style and another set of pumpkins. This is the more of like the rustic red auburn color of a pumpkin, and then I picked up the traditional orange ones. But I think these are adorable. I picked up just some cute little basic flowers. These can actually go honestly all year long. You can use these kind of flowers, but I just thought these were perfect and would be great additions to any wreaths or any vases that you want to use around your house. And then I picked up these on a whim because I just thought these were kind of funky and cute, and I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but I just thought they were so cute. So I picked up a couple of those and just a couple of these like foxtail greenery, and I thought this would be a good addition to a vase as well. So that was my real quick Dollar Tree haul, just showing you guys some items that I picked up for the fall. I went ahead and picked up quite a few of these pumpkins. You'll see in a few months why I stocked up on these, because I won't be able to get them much longer. So I wanted to go ahead and get them while I have access to them, and I am super excited to try to get into my groove again and get back to crafting. Fall time and crafts are my favorite. I love seasonal crafts, especially fall and Christmas, and it's getting me so excited. So hopefully I'll have time to get some of these crafts out before we have some big changes coming up in our lives. And I will talk about that later on, but I'll just give you guys a tidbit. Most of you guys know that we are a military family, and we got some big changes coming up later this year. So I will keep you guys posted on that. But I have missed you guys so much, and thanks for listening to me blab on about all these cute little Dollar Tree items I picked up. If you guys enjoy Dollar Tree crafts or DIYs or Dollar Tree hauls or just budget crafts and budget hauls, please consider hitting that thumbs up button if you like this video, if you like these type of videos. And also, if you're new here, I'd love for you to stick around and hit that subscribe button. I always just post like DIYs and crafts. That's just what I'm into, and I love getting to know you guys. Comment down below and let me know what y'all have been doing for the summer, if you've been crafting or if you've been able just to spend some time with your family. I know a lot of us are kind of stuck at the house or stuck around our neighborhood, can't really go places, but I just love to catch up and see what you guys have been up to this summer. Anyways, thanks for listening to me blab on. I have missed you guys, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye!